The VIVO M23 drone is a professional-grade quadcopter that stands out with its powerful combination of an 8K HD dual camera, a brushless motor, and a comprehensive omnidirectional obstacle avoidance system. Designed for serious aerial photographers and videographers, the M23 offers a premium flying experience with a focus on image quality, stability, and safety. This drone is perfect for enthusiasts who demand high-resolution content and intelligent flight assistance. Key features and performance highlights. Professional 8K HD dual camera. The M23's headline feature is its 8K dual camera, capable of capturing incredibly detailed photos and videos. This high-resolution sensor, paired with a fixed camera mount, delivers a pixel count of above 6 million, allowing for stunning clarity. The drone also features a remarkable 50x optical zoom, giving you the flexibility to capture distant subjects with precision. The presence of a second camera provides additional perspectives and aids in intelligent flight features. Omnidirectional obstacle avoidance, safety and flight confidence are paramount with the M23. It features a complete omnidirectional sensing system that detects obstacles from the forward, backward, lateral, upward, and downward directions. This advanced system helps the drone automatically avoid collisions, making it significantly safer and easier to fly, especially in complex environments. Powerful brushless motor and RTK module. The drone is equipped with a brushless motor, which provides superior power, efficiency, and a longer lifespan compared to traditional brushed motors. This ensures stable and reliable flight performance. The inclusion of an RTK or real-time kinematic module indicates the drone is capable of highly accurate positioning, crucial for professional applications like surveying and precise aerial photography. The max wind speed resistance is less than 10 km per hour, which is suitable for calm conditions. GPS-based avoidance and connectivity. The M23 employs GPS-based avoidance, a key feature that utilizes satellite data to prevent the drone from entering restricted airspace or colliding with known obstacles. It supports dual-frequency operation on both 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz bands, ensuring a stable connection and a smooth FPV operation. Connectivity options include Wi-Fi, app controller, and remote control, offering versatile ways to pilot the drone. Decent flight time and range. With a 3.7V 1000 mAh battery, the M23 offers a respectable max flight time of 15 minutes and an action time of 15 minutes. This provides ample opportunity to capture your desired content. The drone boasts an impressive transmission range of 2.7 km and a remote distance of 200 m, allowing you to explore vast areas. The battery is removable and replaceable, so you can easily extend your flight time by carrying spares. Integrated display remote control. The remote control features a built-in display, providing a clear and direct view of your drone's feed without the need for a separate smartphone. This simplifies the flying experience and enhances your focus. In summary, the VIVO M23 drone is a high-end, professional-grade quadcopter that delivers on its promises of advanced features and exceptional performance. Its combination of an 8K dual camera, powerful brushless motor, omnidirectional obstacle avoidance, and RTK module makes it a formidable tool for aerial photographers. With its intelligent safety systems and user-friendly control, the M23 is an excellent choice for enthusiasts who want to create high-quality content with a reliable and sophisticated drone. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more drone reviews, tips, and tutorials.